a little bit of a bouncy video today because I want to actually make a video and I want to do it because I'm inspired. But it's Sunday and I'm walking the dogs and I don't want to be in the office. So today the video is about letting go of worry. Stop worrying about everything. This is so big because we all get pulled into it, myself included, and we worry about things. And we try and predict outcomes and predict futures. There was an interesting statement the other day. It takes just as much energy to believe in your success as it does to worry about your failure. And worry really is the sort of poison pocket in the subconscious mind. It's something that that's been built into us to try and protect us, but it actually limits us from so much because we worry what other people are going to think. It's like, for example, doing this video, a bit bouncy, not perfect. What are people going to think? I usually do a video with a camera in my office with a microphone. It's meaningless. You share your truth. The thing that worry stops us from doing is even expressing ourselves. Now, I was an actor for, about how old was I? 18 to 30. So that's what? Gosh, who's the mathematicians here? 12 years of doing something that I was passionate about. And worry took over my body at one point when I was an actor because I was so scared that I wasn't enough. I wasn't enough to be good. Even though I was at the height of my career, I'd been chosen. You see, the thing is that it doesn't matter whether you're a millionaire or you're broke. You can live in fear. You can live in a prison in a mansion too. So worry just becomes a prison in your mind. It stops you from seeing the beauty of life. There's so much beauty just in this present moment here. In this present moment here, there is no worry. And that's why we must learn to master our energy so that we stop getting taken out of our creative space. The present moment now, here and now, my friends, is the only thing that you ever can create from. In the present moment, all the hurt and the past pains and the people that have upset you and the fear of what's going to happen in your future doesn't exist. And that actually gives you freedom. It relieves a lot of energy out of the body that you can then use to heal. You can use to create. You can use to manifest. There's so much beauty in the idea of the present moment. So when I've been working on this sort of relax, release, re-intend method, it's always about coming to the present. It's always about coming to the now. Because the only time I've ever felt in pain is when I'm fearing tomorrow or I'm regretting the past. Once I finished being an actor, I'd created quite a bit of success there. And then I went and I became broke. Nothing to my name. No, not sure where to turn. I started this confidence coaching business and I started doing some coaching, but I never had enough. And it's because I always used to go, yeah, but back then I was something. Back then it was enough. And my regret of the past stopped me from being able to access my power in the now. And that's the thing. Regret is going to stop you. Fear of the future is going to stop you. So you have to come to the now. And you see, the thing is, in the present moment, when you are actually present without fear, you can start to normalize huge things. You can normalize things that seem grand. So if you're starting a business or you're looking to heal yourself or whatever it is, you can start to make that in this present moment feel like the most natural thing. You see, in the present moment, you haven't got a chronic disease because chronic just means long term. But if there's no future and no past, it doesn't exist like that. It's just now. And it's only now that we can change it. So I started to really watch my body, let my body teach me what I'm feeling. My body kept telling me when I wasn't in the present moment because it had high state emotions of fear or anxiety, or it would give me symptoms of something. And that then made me go into the future. So I really work hard on coming to this moment now. Like this moment here with you now, there's nothing else. Nothing else exists. There's only me and you. So listen to my words and let them sink into your mind, because tomorrow is unknown. So why would you put your energy forward to say that there could be a problem? Why would you put your energy forward into something and feel like it's never going to work out? You see, I think I became my luckiest and my most creative, and I manifested the most things when I started just to let go of fear and I stopped worrying about anything. It's meaningless. I love this word so much. It's meaningless. You have to understand this reality is an illusion. You know, my eyes, we say my eyes see, but my eyes don't see. They collect light and information and my brain interprets it. At the moment, I'm in a beautiful woodlands, but that's what my brain's seeing. Is it the truth? So I don't get the life that I am living. I get the life that I'm focusing on. I get the energy that I'm in. So at the moment, these trees seem beautiful. The blue sky seems amazing. But I'm telling you, you can be in a mansion and feel like the life is falling apart. And trust me, I've worked with people who live in mansions whose lives are falling apart. So it's never about the outside world. Your good is always about what's going on inside of you. You can feel amazing when nothing's changed. And it's never from going to an elevated emotion first. It's from letting go of the fear and coming back to peace. And what is God's presence really, except peace and harmony? I mean, look at nature right now around me, the beauty. I know there's a few pylons, but let's look at the trees here. Is any of this efforting to be beautiful? Is any of it trying to be something? No, it just is. Just like you are. You are a fragment of divinity, but you're trying to create. You're trying to make something happen. You do not add power to the divine, my friends. You add no power to omnipotence. So why don't you surrender to it? And I tell you, this week, I've surrendered to it. And I'm telling you the beauty and feeling and love that's coming back into my life. And I decided, and I ask you to do this today yourselves, guys. I've decided to just be more playful and silly. I mean, why is it all so important? Life is a gift. I mean, I get to experience this. You get to experience this. And many of you might comment and say, it's not a gift. I'm in pain. I'm hurt. And I understand. And all you want to do is get out of that. But the only way out is to master your inner world. Come to the present moment. Sit with the pain inside. And realize that this reality has no power over me except what I allow. So if you allow it to hurt you, if you're allowing yourself to be taken out of it, if you're thinking about the future in a negative manner, now don't fear the negativity, but thank it for showing you how you really feel and that you're not present. So when your body's showing you these things, thank it. Thank it for what it's doing and sit with it. And know that by sitting with it and becoming still, get into a sleepy state, you're going to access your subconscious mind. And in there, you can start to claim that this day is beautiful, created by God. God's golden healing light enwraps and surrounds me, guides me in all my ways. I'm safe. I surrender now to you, God. Bring me to where I'm meant to be in life. I'm born to win in this world. I'm in my true place in life, doing what I love with who I love. Every day is a joy. That's the statements and the story we want to recreate from the present moment. And I am telling you, without doubt, that your life will improve in every way. But you cannot force gratitude on top of fear. You cannot force yourself to feel good when you're scared. So learn to master your emotions inside by sitting quietly with yourself regularly throughout the day. And if that hasn't worked, then go for an intentional walk like I have right now. With intention, like I'm a winner. I'm born to win. I love life. This life is so amazing. I cannot wait to share my gifts with the world. I cannot wait to send love to all the people that I care about. This is the key. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Take care.